Hello. In this video, we will learn about Excel's Start Screen.
So when you launch Excel, you go to what is called a start screen. So this is the start screen, and you will see three main icons on the side: Home, New, and Open. So we are now on the Home icon. So here we say we can open a new blank workbook from here. And also we have some Excel tutorials that are free. And also we can open up what is called templates. And if you want, you can see there's more templates. So templates are basically ready-made Excel workbooks. They have things like invoices, budgets, personal planners, which you can use. If you come down, you'll see you're under the recent. You see the recent files that you have been using. And if you go to the pin section, at the moment, there's nothing there. If you want, you can pin one of these or many of these workbooks to the pin section. So you can have it there for your easy use. So if you want to pin something, you can do a right click and you can come here and say pin to list. And then if you go to pinned, you see that file is already there now. Under the new option, you can also open a blank workbook from here. You can see some templates already there. And you can also search for templates from here. So it's pretty much similar to the home. So from this search box, if you want to find the invoice template, you can type invoice. And you can see the templates that are available. And you can select one of these and use. So we will get into templates in a future lesson. Then if you go to the open option, this is where you can see workbooks that you have already used. And you can select them from here and open them. And you can also again search for them. And also you can go to the folders and look for the folders, what the files are there. And also from here, you can see you can go to your OneDrive. You can search in the PC. Or you can browse and go and look for files in different folders and locations from here. If you go to the account section, this is basically where you can find account details about your subscription with Microsoft. So on this side, you have the product information, subscription that you have. And then you can get updates from here. You can get add-ins. There's a thing called Microsoft Insider. You can join and get access to the latest functions and formulas, features in Excel. Then this has details about the version of the Excel and new things. And on this side, you have access to your account. You can sign out. You can switch your account. You can manage settings. If you want, you can change your office background. Like this. You can go into different. And from here, you can change your office themes. Like black and so on. So we have several options. You can change from there. And also from here, you can connect to your OneDrive. And you can add different services. Like SharePoint. And you have a place where you can give feedback to Microsoft about Excel. And you have options. This is very important. We will be going into this section during our course at several points to access different features. So here you see under options, basically under the general tab, you can change how you see the mini toolbars, how you can change the Excel standard font, the font size, number of sheets, and so on. So there's a lot of customization you can do from this options tab. And then if you go to formulas, you can change the way Excel is calculating And we will go into this in much more detail in future lessons. Then about data, so several options here you can change. And proofing, about autocorrect and so on. You can access Copilot from here. You can save, and you can also save you can change the auto-save locations, the number of times, how frequently you're going to save, so on. You can change your language. You can have accessibility changes. And you can go to advanced, we have more customization options over here. You can also customize the ribbon from here. We'll be covering this in a future lesson. And also you can customize the quick access bar. You can get add-ins. Different add-ins are there. So you can get like Power Pivot, different types of add-ins like Analysis Toolpack and all of these solver we can get from this location. And then you have the Trust Center. So we will get back to these sections in different lessons going forward. At the moment, this is all we need to cover on this one. Just a quick introduction to where everything is located so that you can find your way back when we need them. So if I press cancel over here, now I don't get back. Now from here, if I click file, I go to a similar location as the start screen, but this is not the same location. So here we have additional options, as you can see, once we open a file. So, but we have the other options also here. So the start screen only opens that way when you open Excel for the first time.
Thanks for watching.